What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, we're going to actually be talking about ADA or Cardano because it's on an absolute rip, and it's for a pretty specific reason. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, but rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And if you're around here, consider smashing the like button down below and subscribing to the channel for more crypto-related news. Cardano sitting at 54 cents, up 53% on the month. This is actually quite exciting for a lot of the Cardano holders, but pay attention. Trade volume is up 166% day over day at 1.5, almost $1.6 billion exchanging the hands of traders. Market cap is currently sitting right around $20 billion, significantly down from its all-time high, which was $2.70. And I still do believe Cardano is presenting a pretty significant opportunity as it is one of the biggest smart contract user-based, and again, the fact that it's US-based with everything that's happening right now with the spot Bitcoin ETF, I do believe there's going to be a lot of traction for Cardano, and I think it will sit amongst the top 5 cryptocurrencies very, very soon. With its layer 1 protocol and everything else that comes with it, Charles Hoskinson is somebody that has been significant. But here it is from CoinDesk. Cardano jumps 20% as an analyst eyes Bitcoin pullback to 40K to fill CME gap. Market observes underappreciated futures inflows from institutional investors to Bitcoin asset CEO in CoinDesk TV interview. So you guys could see that Cardano, of course, is up 18.7% on the day. The layer 1 tokens, ADA, Algo, AVAX, DOT, and Solana amongst the best performers as capital rotation from stalling BTC lifts altcoins. Bitcoin may revisit 40K to fill in the CME gap, and this was from the crypto analyst Willy Woo speculation. Native tokens tied to the layer 1 blockchain gained the most Friday, with Cardano being the best performer as steady Bitcoin price fueled capital rotation to altcoins. We love that. When Bitcoin stabilizes, money always goes into the blue chips, always typically layer 1s, and then we see more DeFi protocols that are even lower market caps, and then we get the speculative traders that go into the meme coin space. Bitcoin bounced between 43 and 44K, currently sitting at 44.4, quickly shaking off minor dips following a stronger U.S. employment report that analysts expected would dampen the interest rate cut expectations for next year in 2024. Everything is looking flawless for the bull run come 2024. Bitcoin having an April quarter earnings, February 2024. If all goes well, interest rate cuts, we are going to be soaring, folks. Now, the top 10 cryptocurrencies were recently trading right around the top crypto was around 43.8, consolidating as investors digested its swift rally to 45,000 this week after it broke out 38K just a week ago. Altcoins, meanwhile, jumped across the board, resembling early November's altcoin rotation, when slowing Bitcoin momentum drove traders to realize some gains and invest in smaller, riskier cryptocurrencies. These capital rotations are typical in crypto markets after large Bitcoin run-ups, followed by a rally in bigger crypto assets that among meme coins and microcaps as traders chase tokens that haven't moved yet to profit. It's a simple game, just a money game. ADA surged 25% to 57 cents at one point during today, its highest price since August of 2022, folks. It gave up some of the early gains later in the day, but was still up almost 20% today. Of course, other top performers are other layer 1 protocols like Polkadot, Algorand, AVAX, and Solana, as they mentioned. I'm getting more and more bullish on Solana, but that I'll leave for another video. The CoinDesk Market Index, or CMI, a basket of 200 cryptocurrencies, was up 1.5% throughout the day, more than BTC, underscoring altcoin performance. So overall, things are looking good. Willy Woo, someone that just likes to talk about technical analysis, is showing, again, why he is so good at what he does. He says, by my count, 28 of the 30 gaps have been filled for CME daily candles, and 93% of them. The other unfulfilled gap is pictured in the lower left of this chart also. So you could see it literally broke out almost perfectly. And with that, after all the gaps were filled, we saw rotations into alts. Cardano and Charles Hoskinson are two things that I will never fade. I have been holding ADA since 2018. Dollar cost averaged through the bear, but really started focusing in on it in 2021. I bought near the top even more, and I've been dollar cost averaging down. So I'm excited to see what's to come. Appreciate your support as always. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.